I just claimed the MONAD airdrop, and they actually sent me $500. Here's exactly how you can get yours before it's too late. What is MONAD? MONAD is the next generation blockchain with up to 10,000 transactions per second and full Ethereum compatibility. It's built for anyone who wants fast, cheap transactions without compromise. Yesterday, MONAD announced the airdrop on their official Twitter, saying tokens are being distributed to active members of the crypto community and testnet participants. Go to Monzon XYZ. Connect any crypto wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or any other EVM wallet where you've had previous activity. All you need is some transaction history or NFTs on Ethereum or popular layer 2 networks. If your wallet doesn't qualify, don't worry, just try another one. There are no limits on attempts, so keep trying until you find one that works. I checked my Trust Wallet and I got 13,160 MONAD. That's about $500 at current prices. The tokens are temporarily locked, but they'll be released to your wallet as soon as MONAD mainnet launches. Don't miss your chance. If your wallet qualifies, the airdrop is yours for free. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and definitely participate in the airdrop. The more people know about it, the faster the tokens will be claimed. Make sure to check all your wallets before it's too late. Goodbye.